हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू कैरियर पॉइंट। पिछले वीडियो में आप केसीएल केवीएल के बारे में डिस्कशन किए थे, इक्विवेलेंट सर्किट के बारे में डिस्कशन किए थे। तो चलिए आज हम डिस्कशन करेंगे कुछ न्यूमेरिकल्स बेस्ड ऑन केसीएल केवीएल एंड इक्विवेलेंट सर्किट। तो पहले जानेंगे जो भी हम न्यूमेरिकल सॉल्व करेंगे उसके लिए क्या प्रोसीजर है। तो पहले क्या करेंगे, जो भी तुम्हारे क्वेश्चन में आएगा न्यूमेरिकल उसको पहले केयरफुली पढ़ना है। उसके बाद उसका गिवन डाटा निकलना है। गिवन डाटा निकलने के बाद उसका आंसर क्या मांगा है, पढ़े आउटपुट क्या मांगा है और कौन सा प्रोसीजर में हम सॉल्व करेंगे। ये जो भी पॉइंट में अभी बोला हूँ, ये सब पॉइंट के ऊपर हमको ध्यान देना है। तो चलिए पहले क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करेंगे। फाइंड द पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस और व्हाट इज द VPQ। देन व्हाट इज VPQ? VPQ is the potential difference between P and Q. So here, so this point is R. Now, what is my VR? VR value is 10 volt. Okay. Now find VPQ. So to find VPQ, we go for KCL. Now, number one, put KCL at node P. अभी क्या करेंगे, ये जो नोड P है, ये नोड P में हम KCL पुट करेंगे। Then what is my equation? VP minus 10 divided by 2 plus VP by 8 plus 2 ampere is equal to 0. This is my equation 1. Okay. Now solve this equation 1. What is my LCM here? 8. So 4 VP minus 40 plus VP plus 16 is equal to 0. It is implied 5 VP minus 24 is equal to 0. Then what is my VP value? VP is equal to 24 by 5, that is equal to 4.8 volt. This is the value of VP, 4.8 volt. Okay. Now put KCL at Q. अभी हम क्या करेंगे, Q पॉइंट में KCL पुट करेंगे। So what is the equation? VQ minus 10 divided by 4 plus VQ by 6 minus 2 is equal to 0. Now VQ minus 10 divided by 4 plus VQ by 6 is equal to 2. Okay. Now what is my LCM? 12, that is equal to 3VQ minus 30 plus 2VQ is equal to 2. Now 5VQ minus 30 is equal to 24. Then 5VQ is equal to 54 and VQ is equal to 54 by 5, that is equal to 10.8 volt. This is my VQ value. Okay. मेरा VP का वैल्यू है 4.8 एंड VQ का वैल्यू है 10.8 volt. So what is VPQ? That is a potential difference between P and Q. VPQ is equal to Vp minus Vq, that is equal to 4.8 volt minus 10.8 volt, that is equal to minus 6 volt. Vpq is equal to minus 6 volt. Okay, so next question is find out the value of resistance R in the circuit. So this is my R, that is your unknown resistance. So how to solve this equation, how to solve this problem? तो इसके लिए हम दो ही मेथड यूज करेंगे, बाय अप्लाइंग KCL, number 2 is by applying KVL. So पहले हम देखेंगे by applying KCL. So this was by VR. Now apply KCL at node R. What is my node R? VR minus 100 divided by 10 plus VR by 10 plus 2 is equal to 0. Now this was my 10 is my LCM, then VR minus 100 plus VR plus 20 is equal to 0. Now VR plus VR, 2VR minus 80 is equal to 0. Now VR is equal to 80 by 2, that is equal to 30 volt. Okay, if this is VR, this is also VR. Now what is the value of R? The value of R is the value of R is equal to VR by I, that is equal to 40 volt by 2 ampere, that is equal to 20 ohm. This is my R value. Okay, this is your method 1. Now I solve this equation by applying KVL. So you can apply the KVL here, this loop. This is your I1. Okay, and I2 is equal to 2 ampere. Now apply KVL at loop 1. So minus 100 plus 10I1 plus 10I1 minus 2 is equal to 0. Now minus 100 plus 10I1 plus 10I1 minus 20 is equal to 0. Now 20I1 minus 120 is equal to 0. Now I1 is equal to 120 divided by 20. So that is equal to 6 ampere. Okay, if 6 ampere is flowing through this, then so this is your 6 ampere. Now here 4 ampere. Okay, now what is the voltage here? That is equal to 40 volt. If this, okay, now this 10 ohm resistance and this R is in parallel, so voltage across these two are same. If 40 volt is the voltage across the 10 ohm resistor, then my VR value is also 40 volt. Okay, if the VR value is 40 volt and I is equal to 2 ampere, then what is my R value? 40 divided by 2, that is equal to 20 ohm. This is one method for solving this equation by applying KVL. Now, okay, now come to the question number 3, that is an equivalent circuit question. Find out RAB. This was the A point, this one is the B point. So find out the resistance across A and B. So how to solve this circuit? Now I have to reduce this circuit. Let it be C, D, E, F. Okay. So this is my C point, this is my D point, and E, F. Okay, this is your 1 ohm, this is your 0.8, this is your 3 ohm, this is 2 ohm, this is 6 ohm. Now this is your 3 ohm, this is 1 ohm, this is 1 ohm. This is your 6 ohm. Okay, now it is easy to solve this circuit. I can reduce this circuit into this circuit. So how to reduce? Okay, 1 plus 1, 2. This is your 2 ohm, this is 3, this is 6, 3 ohm, 6 ohm, this is your 3 ohm, this is your 6 ohm, and this is your 2 ohm. Okay, now A and B, this is your 1 ohm, this is your 0.8 ohm. Now 3 ohm parallel 6 ohm, 3 into 6 divided by 3 plus 6, that is equal to 2 ohm. Now I can reduce this equation. This is my 2 ohm, this is my 2 ohm, this is my 2 ohm, and this is my 2 ohm. This is a 2 ohm, this is 2 ohm, this is 2 ohm, and 1 ohm, and this is your 0.8 ohm. Now, these 2 ohm and 2 ohm are parallel, so what is my equivalent resistance? One ohm, and this is your 2 ohm. This is your 3 ohm, sorry, 1 ohm. Okay, now this is your 0.8 ohm. Now this 2 ohm and 1 ohm is series. This is your 3 ohm, this is your 2 ohm, this is 1 ohm, this is 0.0 ohm. Now 3 ohm and 2 ohm are in parallel. So what is my equivalent resistance? 2 into 3 divided by 2 plus 3. 6 by 5. 1.2. Now this is your 1 ohm, this is your 1.2 ohm, and this is my 0.8 ohm, 1 ohm, A and B. Now what is my total resistance? RAB is equal to 1 ohm plus 1.2 ohm plus 0.8 ohm. So this is my 3 ohm. RAB is equal to 3 ohm. This is the equivalent circuit question. Okay, now we will discuss two questions. That is, question number 1 is, what is the power delivered by 5 volt sources? So this is your network 1 and this is your network 2. Between the network and network 2, there is a 2 resistor and a 1 voltage source is connected. Now find out the power delivered by these 5 volt sources. So what is my current here? 2 ampere. Then what is my current here? 1 ampere. Now P5 volt is equal to 5 volt into I1 minus I2. So 5 volt into what is my I1 value? That is your 2 ampere minus 1 ampere. So 5 volt is equal to 5 watt. So come to the next question. What is the power delivered by these 2 ampere current sources? So now this is your voltage V 2 ampere. Now so अगर इसका जो पावर डिलीवर्ड निकलना चाहूंगा तो मेरे को ये जो V2 एम्पियर निकलना पड़ेगा. तो इसके लिए हम क्या करेंगे? सो V1 माइनस V2 इज इक्वल टू 1 volt. Now V2 is equal to 0 volt. Okay, now applying KCL at V2 ampere. Now V2 ampere minus V1 by 1 ohm plus V2 ampere minus V2 by 1 ohm minus 2 is equal to 0. So V2 ampere minus 1 by 1 plus V2 ampere minus 0 by 1 is equal to 2 ampere. Okay, now V2 minus 1 plus V2 ampere is equal to 2. So 2 V2 ampere is equal to 1. Now, so 3 volt. This is your 3 volt. So 3. Okay. Now V2 ampere is equal to 3 by 2. Okay. So if V2 ampere is equal to 3 by 2 volt, then P2 ampere is equal to 3 by 2 into 2, that is equal to 3 watt. ओके उसके बाद हम देखेंगे ये वाला क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इज द नोड वोल्टेज एट ए. फॉर गिवन सर्किट व्हाट इज माय नोड वोल्टेज एट ए, दैट इज योर व्हाट इज VA वैल्यू. ओके सो ये जो सर्किट है, ये सर्किट में मेरे को एक डिपेंडेंट सोर्स मिलेगा. ओके तो ये जो है एक वोल्टेज सोर्स है, डिपेंडेंट वोल्टेज सोर्स, और दिस डिपेंडेंट वोल्टेज सोर्स, this I1 is depend on this value. So what is my I1 value? What is I1? That is equal to I1 is equal to VA minus 10 divided by 10, or putting KCL at this node. Okay, so now apply KCL at A. VA minus 10 divided by 10 plus VA by 5 plus VA plus 10 I1 minus 5 divided by 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. Now 10 VA minus 10 plus 2 VA plus 2 VA plus 20 I1 is equal to 5. Okay, now there is a 2 VA, 2 VA, 5 VA, 5 VA minus 10 plus 20 I1 is equal to 50. 5 VA plus 20 I1 is equal to 60. This is my equation of. Now put I1 at equation 1. So if I put the value of I1 here, then what is the equation? 5 I1, sorry, 5 VA plus 20 into VA minus 10 divided by 10 is equal to 60. Okay, now what is the equation? 5 VA plus 2 VA minus 20 is equal to 60. This is the equation. Now 7 VA is equal to 60, 80, and VA is equal to 80 by 7 volt. Okay, so this is the procedure to solve this problem. Now come to this problem. given circuit parameter K is positive and the power dissipated by 2 ohm resistor is 12.5 watt, find the value of K. Okay, यहाँ पे भी मेरे को independent source given है, that is your KV0, it is a current voltage dependent current source and this voltage V0 depends on this. What is my given data? Given this is your P2 ohm is equal to 12.5 watt is given. Now I know P2 ohm is equal to I2 ohm square into R, that is equal to I2 ohm square into 2 is equal to 12.5. Now what is my I2 ohm? I2 ohm is equal to 12.5 by 2 root over, that is equal to 2.5 ampere. Okay, then what is my V0 value? V0 value is equal to 2.5 ampere into 2, that is equal to 5 volt. Now I have to find out the value of K. So let it be P. So apply KCL at P. Okay. This is my 2.5 ampere. So what is the equation? 2.5 plus ampere plus KV0 is equal to 5 ampere. This is my KCL equation. Okay. Now 2.5 plus K into 5 is equal to 5 ampere. What is my K value? K is equal to 5 minus 2.5 divided by 5, that is equal to 0.5. This is the value of K. K is equal to 0.5.